Welcome to Masterminds, where you try to guess a code in a number of tries and the computer gives you X and zeros to figure out your code. If this is your case, X represents any number which is in your code and in the correct position with respect to the correct code. And 0 represents any number that is in the code but in the wrong position as shown in the screen. The program was built in 3 stages. Version 1 was mostly figuring out the main algorithm of the code that allows it to check and display the correct amount of X and zeros. And here you can see this is how we basically go about the program. It works. Version 2 was basically adding a difficulty selection, and also I added a small statement that shows the time taken to finish the game. Beta rather involves me taking everything I did in version 2 and implementing it into a complete graphical user interface. Here you can see I've added a rules button, choosing a difficulty in the text box, and it all looks all fancy and all, but it's actually pretty simple to do. So as a part of the rules, you should know that you can only enter numbers from 1 to 8. Entering a 0 or 9 will give an error message and you do lose a try. Any wrong inputs will make you lose a try. It's all mentioned in the rules when playing the game. Here you can select your levels. Easy refers to 18 tries, medium refers to 12 tries, hard refers to 8 tries, and test your luck refers to 5 tries. Here I've added a previous tries button, as you can see. Every time you enter the code, it doesn't update, but you're gonna have to push the button to update the table, and that can be used as a reference continuously to tailor your next guess accordingly. And as you can see, I was using that to my advantage and figured out a code, and there we go. One disadvantage of using MATLAB graphical user interface is that it's not very uniform across platforms. In fact, within the same platform, it doesn't look same. Here is another screenshot of another run in a Windows computer, and you can see that the rules window looks very different from what you saw earlier. And here the previous tries window also looks pretty unformatted, unlike mine. The only way I believe that can fix this problem is by going full screen, by tailoring the graphical user interface from the beginning to use the full screen of the computer. But if you have noticed, my program will not look really good in full screen given the number of elements that are being displayed at a time. That being said, hope you enjoyed Masterminds and have a fun time guessing a couple of codes. Enjoy!